You work hard. You earn good money. But somehow, by the end of the month, your bank account feels empty, and you have no idea where it all went. You don't feel reckless. You're not irresponsible. You're just confused why saving money feels so hard, even when you're trying your best. The truth is, your brain is wired to spend, not save. But once you understand how your mind works, saving money finally starts to feel easy. Let me ask you something uncomfortable. If saving money is supposed to be simple, why does it feel so impossible for so many smart, hardworking people? You're not lazy. Your brain is just wired differently. I'm Sam, and this is Sam the Finance, where smart money moves start with smart thinking. If you want real financial control, it starts right here. Today, I'll show you the real psychology behind why saving feels hard, and the simple system that finally makes it easy. Subscribe for clarity-based growth, and stay with me until the end. This could change how you see money forever. Your brain wasn't designed to help you save money. It was built to help you survive, to choose comfort right now over safety later. That's why spending today feels more important than saving for tomorrow. When money sits in your bank account, your brain doesn't see it as real. It feels like future money, not today money. And future money is easy to ignore. Spending gives your brain instant pleasure. Saving only promises a reward someday later. And your brain hates waiting. Your brain is not one system, it's three. And every time you spend or save money, these systems are fighting for control. Once you understand who's really in charge, money finally starts making sense. First is the impulse system. This part of your brain wants comfort, pleasure, and instant relief. It's the voice that says, just buy it, you deserve it. Next is the rational system. This part understands bills, savings goals, and future security. It's the voice that says, we should probably think about tomorrow. And the most powerful one is the automation system. This system runs your habits without you thinking about it. Saving fails with willpower, but it works when money moves automatically in the background. Most people say, I'll save whatever is left at the end of the month. But let's be real. There's never anything left. Then they tell themselves they just need more discipline, when discipline always burns out. The truth is, willpower fails, but systems don't. Then people say, I'll start saving when I make more money. But lifestyle always grows faster than income. They think they need a perfect budget, but complicated plans only create stress and avoidance. Simple always wins when it comes to money. People wait for motivation, but motivation is temporary and unreliable. Habits are what actually build wealth over time. And when you say, I'll think about it later, later becomes years of staying broke. The real secret to saving money isn't willpower, it's automation. When your paycheck hits, your savings should move automatically before you even touch it. That way, you build wealth without feeling like you're sacrificing anything. One account is for spending. One account is for building your future. When you separate your money, you stop accidentally stealing from your own goals. You don't need to start big, you need to start smart. Even $25 per paycheck trains your brain to save automatically. Your job isn't to be disciplined. Your job is to build the machine. Saving money is not exciting. It doesn't feel like a win. It feels quiet and slow, and that's completely normal. Real wealth is built in boring moments that most people quit too early. Progress with money always feels slow in the beginning. You won't see fireworks. You'll see tiny wins stacking quietly over time. That's how compounding really works in real life. You don't need to be perfect with money. You just need to show up and repeat the right habits over and over. Consistency will always beat motivation and intensity. Let's be real. You're not bad with money. Your brain just wasn't built for saving. But once you fix the system instead of fighting yourself, saving stops feeling hard and starts feeling automatic. If this helped you think differently about money, hit like, subscribe, and send this to a friend who's always broke but never knows why. And drop a comment. What's the hardest part about saving for you right now? This is Sam, the Finance Channel, where smart money moves start. Take control of your money, and your money stops controlling you. I'll see you in the next one.